Hi everyone, this is Ben Songrath with the EdTech Teacher. Today we're going to do a quick screencast on how to use EquatIO with Google Docs. So to get EquatIO, you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and attach the EquatIO extension to your Chrome profile. Once you have that done, it'll appear in your extensions bar up here at the top. You can see it's the blue diamond. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. The first time you click it, you might get some permissions requests and an account creation, but when you already have that all said and done, you click it and you get the EquatIO toolbar. So there's a number of different ways that EquatIO allows you to insert math into a Google Doc. The first one's going to be the equation editor, and this is pretty cool because I can start typing in my answer here, and as soon as I start typing it in, it's going to start predicting what I want. So with the Pythagorean theorem, I want a squared, and I'm going to get a squared. I could continue typing out the equation if I wanted to, or I'm going to show you the other functions that you have here. So we're going to go ahead and clear that out. If I'm using LaTeX, I can do that, where I can drop and paste my LaTeX in or type my LaTeX code in here, and my math equation will appear over here. It also integrates with Desmos, so if I'm using Google Docs to show graphing, I can use it here. If you have touchscreen devices, it has handwriting recognition. I can use my cursor to draw this out, and you can see as I draw this in, it appears on the right-hand side. And so that's great. Obviously not as good when I don't have a touchscreen device right now, so I'm going to clear that out. You can also do a speech input, and this is really cool. So when you click on the speech input, you get another box here with a red speech input start button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And so as I said that, it typed it all out for me, and then it also created the equation right here. So that's really cool. So in any of these ways that you're inserting math, after you put it in on the left-hand side, it's going to appear on the right-hand side. You can edit it from here by just kind of clicking around and going to the part you want to edit. If you need to add additional formulas or functions to it, you can see you have different, all the different options down here that you can click on and add those in. But if the equation is good to go, then what you're going to do is you're going to say insert math. And as soon as you click that, your math will appear as an image in the Google Doc. So pretty cool stuff. So in the interest of keeping this short, I just wanted to demo those first 5 ways that you can insert math into your Google Doc and keep this under 3 minutes. In part 2 of this, we're going to have another short video cast on how you can use your mobile device to insert math into your Google Docs with your students. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this one. Go ahead and subscribe to me and follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. Thanks everybody, and look forward to the next video.